Well, good morning, everyone. So today we will start our discussion related to the second PUC syllabus. First, we will start with digital electronics. So I had sent the notes for you, so you can go through that material. Well, see, we the most or the fundamental unit in the case of digital electronics is logic gates. So what are these logic gates? See, the logic gates are the electronic circuit which can have two or more inputs or one or more inputs and only one output. Okay, so that's what we call it as logic gate. And this logic gate performs logical operations. So logic gates ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? It performs logical operations. Logical operations in the sense, so we already know and or not. So like this, we have logical operations and logic gates perform these operations. See, we know we classify these logic gates into three categories: basic gates, derived gates, and universal logic gates. See, basic gates, these are the logic gates which performs basic logic operations, that is and or not. These three we call it as basic logic functions. Whereas the derived gates, see, there are some gates which we call it as derived gates. So derived gates are those whose logic functions are derived from basic logic functions, and such logic gates we call it as derived gates. So here we have two gates, XOR and XNOR, exclusive OR and the exclusive NOR. These two we call it as derived gates. The last one is universal gates. See, here we have two gates, NAND and NOR. See, we call these NAND and NOR gates as universal gates. Okay. So now we have to discuss about derived gates and universal gates, because we already discussed about basic gates in first PUC. So now we have to discuss about derived gates and universal gates. See, in derived gates, the first one is XOR gate. So what is this XOR gate? See, XOR gate means it is exclusive OR gate. Even an exclusive OR gate. See, XOR gate, it is symbolically represented like this. This is the symbolic representation of XOR gate. See, if A and B are the inputs, Y is equal to A exclusive or B. A XOR B. This is the expression. Okay. See here, we can implement this XOR gate using basic gates also. XOR gate using basic gates. See here, the standard expression for XOR gate is Y is equal to A bar B plus AB. So you're going to understand this, how we finally arrived at this equation. ಇದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ A bar B plus AB bar is the expression for XOR gate. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಇದೆ, A ಮತ್ತೆ B. So AB, so this is A bar B bar. See, A bar, so take a line from A bar, B, AB bar. See, A bar B plus AB bar. So this is the implementation of XOR gate using basic gates. So we have to write the truth table for XOR. So what is the truth table? See, the truth table is zero 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 one 1011. See, the speciality of this gate is the output will be 1 when the inputs are different. Inputs different idre output 1 irutte. If inputs are similar, the same idre output 0. See here A0 B0 same output 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. This is what the truth is. See, this XOR gate is the only gate which is capable of performing binary addition as well as binary subtraction. See, you can observe 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 some 0. Similarly, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 1 1, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0. So this is the only gate which is capable of performing binary addition as well as binary subtraction. That is exclusive OR gate or XOR gate. Well, so we will now move to the next one. So simultaneous note ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. We'll move to the next slide. That is for the next gate. It is XNOR gate. XNOR gate. See, XNOR gate is nothing but XOR gate followed by an inverter. XOR plus NOT is XNOR. This is XOR gate. See, XOR plus NOT, this is XNOR. The XNOR. The standard circuit symbol is, this is the standard circuit symbol for XNOR gate. See, A exclusive NOR B. ಈ ತರನು ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. It is also represented like this. A exclusive NOR B. Okay. The truth table. Truth table. See, 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. See, this is when inputs are same, then output will be 1. When inputs are different, then output will be 0. This is XNOR. Okay. See, the standard circuit, the implementation of XNOR gate using basic gates. Implementation of XNOR gates using basic gates. See the expression is AB plus A bar B bar. ಈ expression ಅಷ್ಟೇ next ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರ್ತಿದೀವಿ. See, here we have A and B. See, this is A bar. Then similarly we have B, B bar. See, this is A bar and this is B bar. AB, AB. Then we have the term A bar, B bar. Take a line from A bar, take a line from B bar. See. So AB plus A bar B. So this is how you can write the standard circuit for XOR gate or XNOR gate as well as for XOR gate, and also how you can implement XOR as well as XNOR gate using basic gates. Any doubt in that?
No, sir.
So now I will go for the next gate. I hope you have written it. Yeah. See, the next one is universal gates. Universal. See, we have two gates. One gate is called as a NAND gate. Another gate is NOR gate. And we call these two gates as universal gates. See, why these two gates are universal gates? The reason is it is possible to implement all other gates using NAND and NOR. So NAND ಮತ್ತು NOR ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಗೇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. That's why we call this NAND as well as NOR gates as universal gates. Okay, so now we will see what is meant by a NAND gate. See, NAND gate is nothing but AND gate followed by an inverter. AND plus NOT will always give you NAND operation. NAND. If this is AND gate followed by an inverter is always AB whole bar. This standard circuit symbol is this. See, if A and B are the inputs, then AB whole bar will be the output. If A and B are the inputs, then output will be AB whole bar. So this is NAND gate. See, we'll write the truth table for this. Truth table. A, B, then AB whole. See, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. See, the functionality of NAND gate is opposite to that of AND. AND ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿವರ್ಸ್. ಸಿ AND ಗೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ 0 ಆದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But in the case of NAND gate, if one of the input is 0, then output will be 1. See, ಎರಡು 0 ಇದೆ 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. When all the inputs are 1, then output will be 0. This is the truth table for NAND gate. Then NOR gate. See, NOR gate means OR gate followed by an inverter. OR plus NOT. This is NOR. or plus not is not. See, this is how we're going to implement OR gate plus NOT gate. See here, A and B are the inputs. This will be A plus B whole bar. Standard circuit symbol is. See, if A and B are the inputs, this is A plus B whole bar. See here, see, OR gate के opposite इರುತ್ತೆ. In the case of OR gate, if all the inputs are 0, output will be 0. See, A0, B0 is there, 1 bar. When any one of the input is 1, output will be 1 in the case of OR gate. In the case of NOR gate, output will be 0. This is the truth table for NOR gate. See, this is what NAND and NOR gates are all about. Okay, this is what the discussion related to the logic gates. So now we have to see the universal property of this logic gates. See, for that you need to remember the Boolean algebra laws as well as the De Morgan's theorem, what we have discussed in first. ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೂಲಿಯನ್ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾ ಲಾಸು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿ ಮೋರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ based on that now we will going to implement the universal property of NAND gate as well as NOR gate. First we will take NAND as universal. First, implementation of NOT gate. Implementation of NOT gate using NAND. See, NAND as universal gate means we have to implement other gates using only NAND gates. That's what we're going to do. See, first one is NOT gate using NAND. We have to implement NOT gate using NAND gate. See, we know NOT gate consists of only one input, but NAND gate consists of two inputs, right? This is NAND gate with two inputs A and B. We know the logic expression for NOT gate is A bar. So what I will do is short marking. That means we will be having only one input. So ಎರಡು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎ ಬಿ ಬಾ NAND ಗೇಟ್ ಎರಡು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಿ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್. That means this will become A and A whole bar. So what is A and A? A and A is A. Therefore this is A bar. So this is how you can implement NOT gate using NAND. Second one, AND gate. Implementation of AND gate. We know the expression for AND gate is AB. Expression for AND gate is AB. Then what is the expression for NAND gate? NAND gate ke expression AB whole bar. See, the ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ complement. So what happens? This bar cancels and it is left with AB only. Andre, this is NAND. See, this is NAND. This complement only. That means one more NOT gate which is implemented using NAND. So this is AB whole bar and the AB. So this is how we can implement AND gate using NAND. Next, OR gate. We'll implement OR gate. So what is the expression for OR gate? We know it is A plus B. See, y is equal to a plus b is the expression. Take double complement. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎರಡು ಸಲ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So because it is a bar whole bar is always equals to a plus b whole bar ಅಂದ್ರೆ a plus b. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿ ಮೊರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ a bar and b bar whole bar. Okay, a bar and b bar whole bar. So a bar ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? Implement the circuit for this. See, a bar ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು. This is a bar. If this is a, this is a bar. Then if this is b, this is b bar. Okay. See, a bar, b bar, whole bar. Right. This is a bar, b bar, whole bar. This is OR gate, which is implemented using NAND gate. This is how we can implement OR gate using NAND. Then the last one which we are supposed to implement is XOR gate. Now, how to implement XOR gate implement. So we will implement XOR gate. Okay. So I'll implement this one in the next page. Camera equations alla ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಸಾಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ? I'll move for the next one. XOR gate. See, XOR gate is implemented like this. See, the expression is a bar b plus ab bar. ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್. ಯಾವ ತರ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. See, this is a and b. ಒಂದು NAND gate ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. This is a and b. a ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, b ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. See, like this. Output of this NAND gate must be applied as input for two more NAND gates, like this. See, these two outputs must be applied as input for these two outputs must be applied for one more NAND gate. See, ಇದು AB whole bar. This is A, this is B. See, AB whole bar ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ this is A, AB whole bar ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is B, AB whole bar. You call this as P and this as Q. ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನ P ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದನ್ನ Q ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. That means this is PQ whole bar. See, we have the expression y is equal to PQ. So what is P? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿ ಮೋರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಂ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ P bar plus Q bar. P ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? A, AB whole bar. This is P. We have P bar. Plus Q andre B, this is Q. B, AB whole bar, this is Q. Q bar is one more. This bar cancels. So what have we are left with? A, AB whole bar plus B, AB whole bar. See, this AB whole bar is common. A plus B, we are left with A plus B. AB whole bar ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? AB whole bar can be written as A bar plus B bar. See, this two ಒಂದೇ term into A plus B. Like this we have to write. Now A bar plus A bar B plus A B bar plus B B bar. See what is A bar? This is 0. B B bar 0. ಇದು ಎರಡು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇನು A bar B plus A B. See, this is the circuit for XOR gate. This is a circuit for XOR gate, but it is implemented using only NAND gates. So example ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Implement XOR gate, implement AND or NOT and XOR gates using only NAND gates. So then you have to write all these sorts of things. 5 marks very good. Okay. So now we will move for the next one. It is XNOR gate as a universal gate or universal property of XNOR gate. See, here there are XNOR gate to universal gate. And what is the universal property of XNOR gate? That means we have to implement each logic gate using XNOR gate. XNOR gate. Sorry, this is NOR gate as universal gate. We have to implement all other gates using NOR gates. See, first we'll implement NOR gate as NOT or not using NOT. So we'll implement NOT gate using NOT. Yes, any doubt? Aditya. NOT gate using NOT. See, we know NOR gate is represented like this. So expression for NOT gate is A bar. See, we have A and B. NOT gate consists of only one input, so short the input. See, we are left. We have, see, this is the expression A plus B whole bar. ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ A plus A whole bar ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏಕೆ A ಮತ್ತೆ B ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. See, this is A bar. This is NOT gate using NOT. Then OR gate using NOT. OR gate using NOT. So what is the expression for OR gate? The expression for OR gate is A plus B. Now NOR gate ಅಂದ್ರೆ A plus B whole bar ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ so bar cancel and we are left with only this. So it is A plus B. So what we have to do? We have to take NOR gate like this. And we have to pass it through a NOT gate. So this is A. This is A plus B whole bar. So this is A plus B whole bar. That means A plus B. So ಇದು OR gate, implementation of OR gate using NOT. Then we have to implement AND gate. AND gate. So what is AND gate? See, the AND gate is one which whose logic expression is AB. Y is equal to AB. So now ಇದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಡಬಲ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ A bar plus B bar whole bar. So now implement this using NOR gate. A bar ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು. This is A bar. Well, this is B bar. This is AB, and this is A bar B. See, A bar B bar, A bar plus B bar whole bar. Andre, see, this is the implementation of AND gate using NOR gate. Okay. So now the last one in this universal properties is the implementation of exclusive NOR gate, that is XNOR gate, using NOR. So ಯಾವ ತರ implement ಮಾಡೋದು? Take a NOR gate like this. See, this is A and B. See, take a line from A and take a line from B. Like this, similar to what you had did in the case of implementation of XOR gate using NAND. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ತರ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್, ಬಟ್ NAND ಗೇಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ NOR ಗೇಟ್ ಇದೆ. See, this is ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು A plus B whole bar ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is A, this is B. See, ಇದು A plus B whole bar ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ A plus A plus B whole bar. This is B, B plus A plus B whole bar. See, we consider this as P and this as Q. Therefore, this will be P plus Q whole bar. So, Y is equal to P plus Q whole bar. De Morgan's theorem apply ಮಾಡಿ. See, this is P bar into Q bar plus 0 into R. P plus ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ A plus P whole bar. See, P bar ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಾರು into B plus A plus P whole bar. This is Q bar. This bar cancels. So ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇನು A plus P whole bar. Okay. See, this is multiplied with B plus A plus B whole bar. This is equal to ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ A ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ A plus ಇದನ್ನ A plus B whole bar na I will write it as A bar B bar. This is multiplied with B plus A bar B bar. See, now multiply ಮಾಡಿ. This is AB plus A bar B bar ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಇದು ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು A bar B bar B plus A bar B bar A bar B bar. ಇದು A bar B bar A bar B bar. See, this is equal to AB ಹಾಗೆ ಇರಲಿ plus. See, this is 0. E ಅಂದ್ರೆ A bar ಇದೆ. A into A bar is 0. It is 0. Similarly, B bar 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ A bar B bar is B. So the expression is AB plus A bar. So this is actually the expression for XNOR. So this is how you can implement all other gates using only NAND or using only NOR. So this is the implementation of XOR gate, XNOR gates, all other basic gates using only NAND or using only NOR gates. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So what is the significance of going for universal property? See, we use this logic gates mainly in order to design the computer. Computer in the sense, we're going to use it in order to design ALU, in order to design memory, or in order to design control unit. So if the circuit is uniform, then it is very easy for the implementation. So for uniformity, for maintaining uniformity in circuit designing, so this universal property is most important one. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಇರಲಿ. So that's what the reason or the significance of this universal property. Next, ಈಗ NAND ಮತ್ತೆ NOR gate ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನು implement ಮಾಡಿದೆ. I mean theoretically circuit implementation. But how we have to do it in practice? See, for that we have ICs, integrated circuits. See, we have the ICs with the series 74XX. So 74XX series ICs is there, and we use that 74XX ICs in order to perform or in order to construct these circuits. See here, we have NAND gate. For NAND gate, we have a IC 7400. See, this 7400 is a 14 pin IC. ಇದು ಒಂದು 14 pin IC. So there will be 7 pins on either side. ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು, 7 pins on each side. Okay, see, totally we call this even IC 7402. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು IC ಇದೆ, this is for NOR gate. So this is also a 14 pin IC and 7 pins on either side. And common things in both these ICs are quad IC. ಇದೆರಡೂ quad IC. Quad IC ಅಂದ್ರೆ in a single IC we have 4 gates. ಒಂದು IC ನಲ್ಲಿ 4 gates ಇದೆ. That's why we call it as quad IC. See, there will be 14 pins. 4 pin ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Common pins are pin number 7 is always grounded and pin number 14 is plus VCC. These are common connections. So now we will see the pin configurations. These are pin configurations. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಪಿನ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? See, first one IC 7400. 740. The number 1 and 2 inputs. See, like this. 1 and 2 input, 3 output. Andre 1 ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಗೆ input ಕೊಟ್ರೆ you have to take the output at 3. Similarly, pin number 4, 5. If you apply input to pin number 4 and 5, you have to take the output at 6. And here we have pin number 7, it must be grounded. Okay, then the next one is this. See here, 9 and 10 are the inputs and 8 will be the output. If you are applying the inputs to pin number 9 and 10, you must have to take the output at pin number 8. Next. See, 11, sorry, this is 12, 13 and this is 11. If you are applying the input at pin number 12 and 13, you must have to take the output at 11. Then the last is pin number 14, so you have to give VCC connection. VCC means 5 volts. VCC ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 volts, ground ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 volts. ಇದು IC 7400. Similarly, IC 7402. See, IC 7402, this is IC for NOR gate. ಇದು NOR gate IC. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ತರ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ IC ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೇ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ICs. ಇಲ್ಲಿ see, in the case of IC 7402, pin number 1 will be the output. See, like this. 2, 3 will be the inputs. Next, here pin number 4 output, 5 and 6 input. Here we have pin number 7, which must be grounded. Next, 8 and 9 are the inputs. See, 8 and 9 input, 10 output. Then 11, 12 input, 13 output. And the last one is pin number 14. This must be VCC. So this is the pin configuration for IC 7402. So these are the things which you are supposed to remember. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಆರ್ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು IC ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು 1 ಮಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ, ಆರ್ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಫಾರ್ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ both circuit symbol and pin configuration, circuit symbol as well as truth table. Illa 2 mark alli pin configuration ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. That is one more thing. And implementation of XOR gate and XNOR gates using basic gates, ಅದು 2 mark ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಇನ್ನ 5 mark ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ so in NAND ಮತ್ತೆ NOR realization of universal logic. So it is two important things. Okay, so these things you have to remember. So I hope you understood. Another doubt is ever clear.